Okay, so if we were to do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, XOR, this is the XOR operator. This little fucking up arrow is the XOR operator. And this, it'll equal 0. Or wait, right? It'll equal 0? No, it'll equal 1. That's right. Okay, this will equal 1. The reason being is because they're not the same numbers. So if we were to do 0, 0, 0 by 0, 0, 0, it would equal 0.
Oh.
But it doesn't matter if it's 0. It can be fucking
Wait,
7,
what's
9, 10, 9.
the thing again? What's like the... Wait, hold on. What is this thing?
Wait,
This thing mean again? What does that mean?
XOR. That's the operator we're using.
What is the
That'll
operator?
Okay, it basically... It's used for... Oh, my bad. Encoding. We're not going to worry about what it's for. We're just going to worry about how to use it and what it does. So, it basically just... It's going to be used for encoding bits. And it's used for a lot of other things, but we're not going to focus on what those things are. I'm just going to sit here and explain to you how to use it.
Is
So,
this coding class?
both? No. Well, XOR is not only just coding and programming, it's also math. But we're not going to worry about that. Right?
XOR?
XOR.
Oh my God, this is so confusing.
XOR.
That's disgusting.
Okay. So let me finish explaining. Okay. So if both of the operands, those being the numbers to the left and to the right of the XOR operator, those were operands are called. Right here.
But what does XOR mean? What does it mean?
Inclusive OR. It's a bitwise operator. Don't worry about what it means. It's just a name.
But in order for me to... Never mind. Continue.
You don't have to fucking... Bro, you don't need... Okay. So 1 and 2 are what are known as operands. But I'm just explaining basic math construction. Okay, so the operands have to be the same for it to equal 0. And if they're not, it's going to be 1. Understand?
Okay.
It can
Yeah.
only equal 1 or 0 because that's how bits work.
Okay.
So if we were to do some random ass number stored by some random ass number, it'll equal 1. Don't worry about the I. But
Oh, because it's like 1...
999. If it's the same number, it'll equal 0. That's the only way... Zoring these things out, zoring these bits, that's the only way it can equal 0 if both of the operands are the same.
Yeah.
Understanding a little bit now?
Oh.
I mean, like, it makes sense. Just, I don't
It
get the
does
point
make
of it. Like, what does it do?
Okay, it's used for probably like encoding payloads, but that's like fucking like that's advanced shit. We're not worrying about that. It can be used for multiple things. It can be used in assembly, which is XOR, RAX. Here, you know what?
Dang.
RAX equals 0, meaning there is nothing in RAX. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do RAX. Or here, you know what? RAX equals 5.
Oh, that's how you do it for assembly. I was so confused.
Yeah, this is what's known as a multi-byte knob. Don't worry about that. I'll teach you about multi-byte knobs later. But for right now, I'm just gonna teach you about XOR. Okay, so what will be stored? RAX now.
What's RAX?
Don't worry about what RAX is. It could be 0
I have
or...
to know in order for me to figure it out.
No, you don't. Okay, watch. Here, look. It can be
Not
fucking anything.
understanding.
It can be anything. It doesn't matter. I'm just using RAX because it's something that you can store values in.
Okay,
a
what's the
register.
definition of RAX or whatever?
Oh my god. If I explain it, you'll be even more fucking confused.
No, I won't.
RAX is the fucking accumulator register for the x86 or x86
Never
or
mind, I don't care.
AMD64
Never mind,
architecture.
continue.
You
Never
fucking
mind,
idiot
never
there. See?
Never
I told
mind.
you get more fucking confused. Anyways,
Continue.
doesn't matter. All you need to know is that RAX equals 5. Right? So what happens if we XOR RAX with itself? What will RAX now equal?
1.
No. Look at the truth
0.
table I sent you. Look at the truth
What?
table I sent
You
you.
said that
If
if they
both